The recent success of the Perseverance rover, which not only carries scientific instruments, but also a helicopter called Ingenuity, highlights how robotics can enhance exploration by enabling aerial surveys of Mars, offering a new perspective that ground-based rovers cannot achieve. Another exciting application is the use of 3D printing technology in space. This innovation is paving the way for building structures and tools in space, rather than launching everything from Earth. NASA has been experimenting with 3D printing to create parts and even entire habitats that could support astronauts on long-duration missions like those to Mars. This approach reduces the need for heavy launches and allows for more sustainable practices in space exploration, as it utilizes local materials, which may be available on other planets or moons. Furthermore, the development of reusable rocket technology has changed the economics of nuclear fusion propulsion technology holds immense potential for future space exploration missions.